Iron is the most used metal in the world, having been known for thousands of years. Its use is so extensive that there is a field of metallurgy just to study the production of iron and its compounds, the steel industry. Iron is the most used metal alloy on the planet. Iron has several uses, in the formation of metal alloys, in industrial and domestic utensils, in the production of automobiles, bridges, metallic building structures, ship hulls, nails, screws, pliers, among other various tools. Its versatility and wide use are due to its low cost, high availability and good mechanical resistance. Iron is so important in the evolution of the human race that one of the prehistoric ages is marked by this metal. Prehistoric societies are classified in a system of 4 ages: polished stone, copper, bronze and iron. The Iron Age is marked by the development of metallurgy and the emergence of tools made of iron and steel. It is estimated that the first society of the era flourished around 1200 BC, in the region of Anatolia, present-day region of Turkey. Another more recent example of the great impact of iron on society is the railroad. One of the most important means of transport, in the past and today, bears iron in its name and was invented thanks to the manipulation and use of metallic iron, accelerating the development of modern society. The importance of this element goes beyond its use in tools. It is believed that the Earth's core is made up mostly of metallic iron, which, thanks to it, generates a magnetic field on our planet, which is responsible for protecting all existing life from cosmic rays. If this magnetic field did not exist, the system of life as we know it might not exist. The process of extracting iron ore. First stage, extraction. The first stage of iron mining is extraction, which can be done in different ways. Among the forms used we have the extraction through excavators, which scrape the rock, or through explosives. The excavators used in mining have special dimensions and capacity due to the magnitude of the extraction processes. Second stage, transport from mine to plant. After extraction, the ore needs to be transported to the beneficiation plant. Those responsible for this transport are off-road trucks, which are more than 6 meters wide and weigh more than 200 tons. An off-road truck, depending on its model, can carry more than 350 tons of ore, which is equivalent to about 35 conventional trucks. Third stage, crushing. After extraction, the ore arrives at the beneficiation plant in large blocks and therefore needs to be broken down into smaller parts for commercialization. Those responsible for carrying out this stage are the crushing machines. Fourth stage, separation. After the ore leaves the crushing machine, it falls into a sieve that allows pieces of up to 2 centimeters to pass through, the ideal size for commercialization. Parts that did not fit in size return to the previous step. Fifth stage, water recycling. The iron ore extraction and processing process uses a lot of water. At the end of the process, this water is stored in a reservoir to separate the mud and other impurities, so that the water can be reused in the process. Sixth stage, storage. After the previous processes, the clean ore and separated by granulometry is stored in giant piles, forming a kind of ore mountain. Seventh stage, final transport. Finally, the ore produced is loaded onto wagons pulled by locomotives and transported to ports and steel mills. Another way of transporting these ores is through so-called pipelines, where the ore is pumped through large pipes until it reaches its destination. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to help grow. Like, comments and good studies.